Hey everyone, welcome back to Inkmattic, back here with another portfolio update. Today we're going to be talking about the stake portfolio. This is episode 2. Got a few things I want to talk about in this episode. First of all, the overall portfolio itself, what stocks I've got in this portfolio, what's changed, and what my plans are for this portfolio. I also want to talk about a promotion that Stake are currently running between the 21st of July to the 21st of August 2020. We'll also be going through that and also some of the features that have changed on this platform, including pricing, etc. So yeah, let's get started. So I want to go through some updates they've recently rolled out with the Stake platform. So we're just going to go through what's changed recently. They've added a few new things to the platform. So yeah, let's just go through it. So first of all, they've improved the speed and performance. So it's lightning quick and you get the details well quick. Now, I didn't really notice any difference between the previous one. I had no complaints with it. I thought it was fast enough, but apparently they've improved it. So which is always good if they've improved it. Awesome, you know. So that is good to see. So they've added ratings and company data to their stock, which is also good. It gives you a little bit more information about the stock, EPS, financials, etc., which is good. Analysis ratings as well, which is also awesome. They've also got full ratings and price targets, which are only available to the Black package. So it gives you enhanced data, full company financials. However, I do believe Trading 212 does offer that, but it is also nice to have that option if you are willing to upgrade into the higher tiers. So now that we've gone through the notification thing that they had on the app, we're just going to run through what the actual page looks like per stock. I'm going to use Apple as an example. $425, which is insane, by the way. But yeah, I'm just going to go through what these new features look like in the app. So now you can see the analysis rating, which is 79% saying suggested buy. Then you've got 6% saying sell, and the rest is saying hold. You can also unlock price targets, which you need to upgrade to the Black package. Also, you've got earnings per share, balance sheet data, which is nice to have. Again, unlock fundamentals and see the full picture. You will have to upgrade to Black again. So there are some upgrades that you can do. However, some apps like Trading 212 offer these features for free. So it's worth noting that you could probably just switch to the other app and have a look at those fundamentals. Move on to the main section of this video, which is the portfolio update. So my portfolio is now at $315.41. I am down 91 cents. That's 0.29% on the day. That's Friday. I'm up $15.76, so $15.76. I'm up 5.26% overall, which is decent. So I'm really happy with that. It is quite a new one. I've started this at the heart of the pandemic, I guess. So moving on, starting off with Leggett & Platt. So with Leggett & Platt, current price is now at $40.09, which is I think is pretty good. I've got 1.02 shares in this. Day returns, I'm up 31 cents, so that's 0.76%. I am up $8.96, which is 28%, which is really good, I think, overall. I think it's a strong stock. I think it is a good stock. I really like it. They are a great dividend payer. They pay quarterly, so I'm really happy with that. But yeah, overall analysis say that it's 100% buy. Well, 100% of analysis say it's a buy. Moving on to the next stock, which is Realty Income. I have been having quite a big push on this US dividend stocks itself. So current price is now at $60.05, which is I guess it is a drop from the previous highs before the pandemic, but I am pretty I do want to increase it overall. I've got 4.57 shares in this stock. I am down $1.22, which is 0.44%. Overall, I'm up $6.60, which is 2.54%. Overall, I think it is a good stock. 100% of analysis say it's a buy based on what they have. I don't know how many that is in total, but I guess it's a nice sort of indicator to have, but you shouldn't really rely on it 100% until you have the full picture. But I guess you can go to other apps to see that. So I've received a couple of dividends as well. With royalty income, I received 41 cents, which got taxed 6 cents because of the US withholding tax, which is 15% for us UK people, I believe. And Leggett and Platt, I did receive 41 cents again. This one is a quarterly dividend, and again, it got taxed 6 cents. So that's my dividends overall. So overall, it is good to see that Stake are continuing to innovate their platform and adding new features and refining it. It's good to see that there is also competition between Freetrade, Trading 212, Stake, and a bunch of other platforms as well. And it's good to see that they're trying to outdo each other, which is really good. That being said, Robinhood did actually back out of a UK launch indefinitely, so they're not going to launch anymore. And I do think Stake is a good alternative, especially if you're focused on US stocks. Specifically, they do have a huge selection as well, 3,700 US stocks and ETFs. So I think that is a good selection. You'll probably be spoiled for choice on US stocks anyway. And that being said, they are actually running a campaign, Get Back to Tesla Gains. So if you sign up between the 21st of July and the 21st of August, deposit money into your account, you'll be entered into a draw to get a Tesla share. They'll be announcing 2 winners every week for the 4 weeks this campaign is running for. So you might as well give it a go, and if you top up your account in the first 24 hours, you get a share in GoPro, Nike, or Dropbox. So I think it's an interesting competition, especially if you haven't already signed up to the platform. You could potentially win a $1,500 stock of Tesla. So I think it is quite a cool, quite a good incentive. But that being said, I do want to know what you guys think of this platform. What do you like it? Are you interested? Are you going to sign up? Or if you've already signed up, what do you like or what you don't like about the platform? I'd love to hear what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to use the referral code, which is ink.yt/stake. That's STAKE. And when you sign up between that period, you'll be entered into the draw. But that being said, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.